Yay! Look what I have here, guys. Let's unbox. Super nice. This is my logo, Secret Fresh. And it says here, Eliza Valdez, the Collegiate Legacy Collection. Super nice, guys. Okay, let's open it. Here. I'm so excited sa cards. The 2023 Eliza Valdez The Collegiate Legacy Collection Limited Edition box comes with 6 autographed cards per box. The box is guaranteed to contain one each of the following autographs: 1 rookie autograph, 1 sophomore autograph, 1 junior autograph, 1 senior autograph, 1 jersey or patch autograph, and 1 sneaker autograph. Color variants are randomly distributed. Every single piece of memorabilia enclosed is from a game-used jersey sneakers by Eliza Valdez. Well, that's very true. So medyo was having a hard time also giving it away. My jersey. So let's see muna kung ano yung nasa harap. I think this is the rookie. Yung rookie card. Sophomore. Ito yung junior. And then, ito yung senior card. I'm excited kung ano yung nakuha ko na jersey and my shoes. Okay. Wow. For the jersey, I got the check, guys. Wow. Iyak ako. I'm crying. This is my season 77 jersey, if I'm not mistaken. So, you are now an owner of an official autograph memorabilia card of Eliza Valdez. On the front of this card is an authentic piece of game-worn jersey during season 77. This card was likewise autographed in the presence of representative of both Secret Fresh and Off-Centered Studios Incorporated. So, may signature din si Big Boy. So, wow. Yung jersey ko dito yung season 77 and that year, sweep kami. So, very memorable talaga yung jersey na to din sa amin and sa akin. And I got the check, the Nike check, the swoosh. Wow, thank you so much. Oh my God, I'm so happy. And this one, again, the shoes na binigay ko. Authentic piece of game-worn shoe during my season 77 din ito. Yung shoes na nabigay ko, yung nag-sweep din. It was pare-parehas kami na shoes nung year na to. And it was a black and silver ata from Nike as well. So, yeah, wow, thank you so much. Yeah, I hope you guys can grab my limited edition Collegiate Legacy Collection. Pinrepair po ng Secret Fresh and Off-Centered. It's been a while since I played for Ateneo. Nagawa nila to and it's just so nice to relive every moment and memories I've had during my UAAP seasons. And I want to say thank you to Ateneo for allowing us to do this project. To Big Boy Chang for making this dream project to a reality, to Off-Centered. Grabe, napakagaling po ninyo. To Attorney Lily, to Jem and Carla, and Vanya, thank you so much for being there all throughout the process of making this dream come true. To all the supporters, my family, maraming salamat po for always being there through ups and downs. Manalo, matalo, andyan kayo. Every time na makikita ko tong collection na to, it will remind me kung gaano kasaya, fun, and full of ups and downs din yung UAAP career ko. Kasama ko kayo doon. Para sa inyo din po itong collection natin na ito. And sana every time na makikita po natin ito ay maalala natin ng mga great memories we've had during UAAP. So, sana you can get a box also. Sabay-sabay po nating i-relive yung mga UAAP moments natin. So, maraming salamat po and I'm just really happy na nagawa po itong project na to. Thank you so much for all the support and hope you do still continue to support me and the whole volleyball community. So, kita-kita po tayo soon. Thank you.